Hello everybody, welcome back. It's about 5:15 almost this evening. I came out 2 more times to snow blow. We have a total about 14, I think I counted 14 inches. They said we're supposed to get another 2 to 4 inches yet tonight. And then it's supposed to be sunny tomorrow, and then 1 to 3 tomorrow, Thursday. Unbelievable. So, I'm just warming the truck up so I can get it out of here. I'm going to snow blow a path to the back so the guy's coming at 6 o'clock and plow. And whatever he doesn't plow, I'm going to snow blow the rest. But he should be able to get most of it anyways, so it is what it is. Maybe I'll clean the windshield off and take a little ride and show you guys some stuff. Okay, I'll do a ride. Get some stuff out here. Those ain't too bad. Clean off my hood and all the snow on the truck. That's right. That's not illegal. Push the snow across the county highway. Freaking idiot. It's a little bit illegal. Okay, what you says. If you don't know what the hell you're doing, pushing snow, guess what? Don't grab a freaking goddamn plow and try pushing it. It's illegal to be putting it on a county highway, pushing it across the county highway anyways. Out of here. Oh, here comes that grader again. There goes the grader. Shoveling here. Even Navi got moved. Oh yeah, that's right. What's his face? Oh. Holy smokes. Butters totally plowed in. Dude, there's no parking down there. Holy smokes. What's wrong with that? I gotta go through this yard yet today. Hopefully. Yeah, I don't know. There's nobody on the lake. And my window's frozen. Dang it. Oh well. Nobody on the lake fishing. Must be too deep too deep of snow out there. Loader. Oh, it's Mike. out of the way. We have plows coming full throttle. In a hurry. Next job. That guy with that plow I called 6 times last year. Didn't even have the common courtesy to call him back. So I gave up on that guy. I'm not mentioning names on him. He's a tough guy. Tough guy. So yeah, I'm gonna try plowing that out. I'm gonna try snowboard that section also plow through there, but I'm not sure. It'll be a while. I gotta get this all taken care of before, because he's coming in about half hour to an hour. So I'll probably be ending this video. I might do a little bit of him. Might be doing a little bit of him plowing, but not as bad, not big flakes, just smaller, steady, small ones, you know. So, hey, if anybody's got an extra hand for a shovel or something, you want to come help me, ain't gonna say no. I'll talk to you guys in a while. I even got Leland shoveling. Pictures and Catchers Report Wednesday. Remember that. Pictures and Catchers Report Wednesday. Oh, yeah. Hang on a second. Shift you guys around here. There we go. So, yeah, we got all this done here. Not doing a grill tonight. I can wait. Shovel all this. I don't have a decent light here. Hang on. There we go. So we went and shoveled all this off deck. It's supposed to be nice and sunny tomorrow. Just had about 3.5 feet of snow on it. This is a 30-foot deck, so it's a lot of weight for 3-foot snow. It's about a 4-foot pile, almost all around it. But it still let me snowing, not too bad. Can wait for the plow guy to come plow the rest of it out. I mean, it's not much, it's like 5-6 inches. And then they said about 9:30, 10 o'clock tonight it should be fine, so that inch or so ain't gonna hurt nothing. And whatever he leaves in a windrow or whatever, I'll just get it with the big old snowblower tomorrow. So yeah, it's a fun day of not working, but still worked my tail off. And Yeah, he went and played a little bit. Didn't get it stuck, but she was grunting. She was chopping all the way through. Oh, no, trails are must have grown them today. Not sure if you see them or not. I'm not too far off the trail. I could actually go to the backyard and hit the trail, but I don't have a sled anymore. I got rid of it. Someone didn't like it, and the other one was scared of it, so I'm not gonna go riding by myself. If I find somebody to go riding with, a buddy or someone, I might buy another one. But right now, I won't buy one. So, on that note, tomorrow's another work week. Work day, not work week, not work day for the week. Not sure if I'm working Saturday, that's still up in the air yet. Yeah, it was a tiring day. I snowblowed 4 times today. Well, whatever, it's not too bad. This stuff can stop now. I had enough. I didn't have enough, and now I had enough. So until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, by the way, the live stream's on tomorrow. I'm gonna try getting it tomorrow. Not try, I'm gonna get it tomorrow. I just gotta remember it's 6:30, and if I get done snowblowing by that time, I'll have it on. Otherwise, it might be a little later than normal. Let's go this way. So until next time, talk to you guys later.